Hello everybody, today I will be dismantling this rear subframe. I will be removing the surface rust and I will be painting it black. So yeah, see how it goes. So yeah, the entire subframe is disassembled. I couldn't bother taking out the bearings because I don't have the right tools. The bearings should be good anyways. I'm gonna leave it as it is, but for the other parts, I'm gonna take out the worn bearings. I'm gonna sand any surface rust, and I'm gonna paint it, the whole subframe black. So I had some issues with removing the rear subframe bushings. I've never done this before, so I didn't know what to do. So firstly, I tried to pry it out with a hammer, but you can clearly see that it didn't work, and the pin got stuck into the bushing and I couldn't move it. So my second option was just to drill the bushing out, but it did work, but it wasn't that successful, and it took me way longer than I anticipated. So I just wanted to sort it, and I bought a torch and I just burnt the bushing out, and it did work wonderfully. The reason why I'm doing this voiceover right now is because I'm kind of dumbass. I kind of fucked up the subframe. Well, not the whole subframe. I did mess up the subframe brackets, as you can clearly see. I did hammer the subframe way too hard, and as a result, brackets that held up the sway bar did go to the opposite direction. It's my fault. I didn't realize that while I was hitting with the hammer. Next time, just put something under the subframe to hold it, and so it doesn't sit up just on the ground. I tried to put the bracket back into the position, but it kind of worked because I put the subframe back into the car, but I did cut the bottom part out. I don't know whether it was that important or not. We'll see in the future. So don't follow my steps. I was kind of dumbass. It is what it is. I don't know. The subframe is already back in, and I don't know whether it was a good idea or not. I guess we'll see in the future. This is my first part of restoring the rear subframe and the rear suspension. I will upload the second part soon. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you soon, guys.